welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve some really cool amazing cheekbones with just following few easy steps. So yeah guys, I'm gonna start off by moisturizing my face super well. Okay, now I'm gonna continue to prime my entire face, and I'm using this primer by e.l.f. I'm just gonna dot that in the T-zone area and blend that with my fingers. Okay, now time for foundation. The foundation I'm using in this case is the Photo Focus by Wet n Wild. I really like this foundation. It has been my favorite. It's just so high coverage and it's very lightweight on the skin, so I really like it. So I'm just gonna blend that throughout my whole entire face, covering all the spots where I apply the foundation. Make sure to also blend the neck area. We don't want to get like harsh cuts and all that. Okay, now for the next step, I'm going to be taking this concealer palette and I'm going to pretty much conceal all the spots where I have just any dark spots or just red spots, anything that I want to conceal to make my skin flawless. Okay, now I'm going to be taking this powder and I'm going to be setting my whole entire face super well so it lasts for the whole entire day and it sets very well, and I have like a very smooth canvas to work with the powder. Okay, so now my skin looks very pale and it needs a little bit of bronzer, so I'm going to be taking this one and I'm going to be applying that right in the cheekbones area, and I'm going to blend that upwards very well. Remember, we're not contouring because this is a bronzer and it's very shimmery, so that's why I really chose this one. And yeah. Okay, now for the next step, I'm going to be taking this lip liner and I'm going to be filling my lips to make them very pretty and to add color to our face. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding some highlight to our cheekbones to create a nice effect, and remember to add it on top of the cheekbones, kind of like in the upper part, so it creates a very elongated face. Now the only thing left to do is to apply some mascara, so I'm just going to be applying a mascara, and pretty much this is the final step. guys, so this is pretty much the final result. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and can recreate it. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more content, and like and share with your friends. Bye bye.